Hey everyone, Melissa H. Fenton here from Homepantrypro. Welcome back to the channel, your home for honest cookware reviews. Today we're reviewing the GreenPan Ceramic Cookware set and answering the big question too, Pill. Is it really non-toxic? If you're new here, hit subscribe and join our kitchen family. So what makes GreenPan stand out from other cookware brands? It uses a ceramic non-stick coating called Thermalon.
This coating is free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. That means fewer worries about harmful chemicals in your food.
And no toxic fumes, even when cooking at higher heat. That's a huge plus if you're moving away from traditional nonstick pans.
Advanced and less fake pull outs. Now let's talk about real-world cooking performance. In everyday use, the cookware heats evenly.
Many pieces are oven safe, which adds flexibility.